Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's Mommy Bechku here. Welcome back to my kitchen. So today we are making the healthiest, easiest, stress-free plantain fufu. Let's begin. So all you need to make your plantain fufu is an unripe matured plantain. Okay, I said matured because you don't want a plantain that is yet to mature, that when you touch you feel is watery. The texture, the inside of the plantain is watery. That kind of plantain cannot make a good plantain fufu for you. Okay, so let me speak in my local dialect. So ichi gote plantain iyi eji wee mee nni ọka. Ịgba mbọ fụ na ọ kara aka, ego na plantain na-akara aka. Ọ ga-eme ya bụ nni ịchọrọ ise agba mmili. Ịghọtago? So back to business. Just cut the plantain, the unripe plantain, into little sizes that can enable you grind it with ease. I'm going to use my food processor to grind this unripe plantain. I just want it to be faster. If you don't have a food processor, you can make use of your blender, but that just means you're going to add a little more water than you'll be using in the food processor. Okay, that's just it. It doesn't matter how you are cutting it. All you just have to do is just to cut it, make sure it's little pieces or little sizes. It doesn't have to be cube-like shape. It doesn't have to be a specific shape at all. Okay, just have fun. Flex in your kitchen. Is your kitchen, you know. So after cutting it, I'm going to pour it into my food processor. I'm going to grind it twice. I'm going to pour it into my food processor and voila, I'm going to blend it. I'm going to sprinkle a little water while blending it in the food processor. Just a little. It will not be more than 1/3 cup. You grind the unripe plantain until it forms a smooth paste. So I'm through with blending the plantain. It has formed a paste. Scrape out everything from the food processor. Now it's time to cook it and turn it until the plantain fufu is formed. Akwachago m nyabo plantain. Kita olugo mgbe ayi ese. You turn continuously, unlike the one of the yam that you need to turn at interval. You turn this plantain paste continuously so that it will not become lumpy. As you can see, it's already thickening. It's almost ready for me to pour in water for it to cook. That is the one I'm going to pour. I'm going to pour in like about a cup of water and allow it to cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. The quantity of water you are going to pour into the plantain is determined by the size of the plantain. If you are making a small plantain paste, that means you need just a little water for it to cook. How do you know when to put water to allow your plantain cook? When the plantain starts being very sticky, you know it's ready. So now you got to turn it like a minute. So you are supposed to turn it for about a minute before taking it down. You can see the plantain fufu is ready. Like, it looks so good and it's not too soft. If you allow it to cool just about 10 to 15 minutes after making it, it will become so firm like a pounded fufu. That is how good it is. Ndeba ya mam no unu like the video mmelu omasikwala unu mbo video omasi gị biko nye anyị wenyela anyị aka enu na like button. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Okay, so this is how I keep my fufu to make it to retain the hotness before eating it. You place it in a nylon. This is how I wrap mine. I bring it together to give it a shape before using the both side of the nylon to cover it. Then I'm going to tie it with the horizontal part of the nylon. I'm going to do it one more time to show how simple this is. Even if you have visitor and you want to serve the person, using this kind of method makes the plantain fufu very presentable. Just spread out your fling nylon. Cut out enough, because if you make it too small, it's not going to cover your plantain fufu very well. And make sure you add moderate size plantain fufu into the nylon. Don't overdo it, don't add too much. So this is how I wrap it. You bring everything together to give the plantain fufu a shape first. Then I'm going to cover it by the two sides with the two sides of the nylon. You see everything is covered now. Now I'm going to bring the horizontal part of the nylon and tie it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed, and give us a thumbs up. This plantain fufu is very, very nutritious. I hope you are going to try it. See you in my next video. Bye.